There are two kind of Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When benzene reacts with CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3, this is an example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Similarly, we can have Friedel-Crafts acylation. When benzene reacts with CH3COCl in the presence of AlCl3, and this gives PHCOCH3, and this is an example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now let us discuss about intramolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation and intramolecular Friedel-Crafts acylation. So first is, so these two reactions are basically intermolecular. Now let us discuss about intramolecular. So we have intramolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation. For example, if I have this compound and if this is treated with AlCl3, let us say we have a methyl group also. First it will form a carbocation, that is an electrophile. So this will react with AlCl3 and we can remove Cl group from here and we will generate an electrophile. In the next step we can have electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So this is example of intramolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. We can have another example. Now if this compound is treated with AlCl3, now we will have 1, 2, 3 carbon, this one 4 carbon, this one 5 carbon. So we have to have a 5 membered ring. So this side we have benzene and this side we will have a 5 membered ring. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So this carbon is 4, this carbon is 5, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Carbon number 1 will also have a methyl group. So we will have this product. Similarly, we can have Friedel-Crafts acylation, that is intramolecular Friedel-Crafts acylation. For example, if I have this reaction, now if this is treated with AlCl3, first we will generate a selenium ion, that is electrophile, and now this electrophile will attack on this benzene ring and finally we will have a substitution product. So this is an example of Friedel-Crafts acylation but intramolecular because attack is happening inside the same molecule. So we have electrophile, nucleophile in the same molecule. So benzene is acting as a nucleophile and this part of molecule is acting as electrophile. So electrophile and nucleophile are in the same molecule. So in this case we can say electrophile and nucleophile are in the same molecule. We can have another example. For example, if I have this molecule COOH, and if this is treated with H plus, initially we have to form a good leaving group, that is OH2 plus. In the next step we can lose one molecule of water, and that will generate a electrophile. Now this electrophile will attack on this carbon. So finally we will have this product. This is again intramolecular Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So whenever we have intramolecular Friedel-Crafts reaction, attack is happening from the same molecule. Some part of the molecule will act as electrophile and some part of the molecule will act as nucleophile.